Motrolics.
Hey folks, today we have something truly special for you, and by that what I mean is, well, fresh new footage of the upcoming Ford F-150 Raptor R as it was undergoing testing. Now, the last time we were able to get up close and personal with a prototype of the F-150 Raptor R was over a year ago, back in April of 2021. Well, today we managed to catch up to not one, but actually two different prototypes of the Raptor R as they were undergoing testing, and that allows us to really get a much better sense of how these trucks will sound thanks to just the angles and the proximity of the footage to the prototypes. So without further ado, let's have ourselves a listen. I gotta say, those are some really tasty sounds coming from the exhaust pipes of both prototypes. And those of you paying particularly close attention might have noticed that one of the two prototypes is painted in Area 51, which, as FordAuthority.com was the first to report on earlier this week, it is going to be a new color for the 2023 range, the 2023 model year F-150 range. The other prototype is coated in agate black metallic, which has existed for a while now in the F-150 range. Now, a couple of things to note just as a reminder. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R is going to be powered by the 5.2 liter supercharged V8, otherwise known as the Predator engine, taken straight from the GT500, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. In the truck, this supercharged V8 is expected to make at least 750 horsepower, and of course, in doing so, it will take on directly the Ram TRX. Now, a few other things to note about the Ford F-150 Raptor R real quick before I go. As FordAuthority.com exclusively reported earlier this year, order banks for this new truck will open up this fall. And that is probably helpful information for those of you who are looking to get your hands on one of these and place an order and obviously get one in your driveway. So with that out of the way, I'll play the video again just in case you wanna hear the goodness coming from the engine bays and the exhaust pipes of these models. So thanks for watching, and here we go.
Motrolics.